All right, check it out. If you're gonna run a microphone like this is a roll pop mic, and this is the Audio Technica broadcast microphone. They are XLRs, and you're gonna need an XLR cable. You're gonna need an audio interface as well, maybe an audio mixer, but definitely XLR cables at a bare minimum. If you see it right here, this one attached, very very simple. And again, you see the 3 pone. You're gonna know that it's XLR because you're gonna see the three right there. And again, you're gonna need this cable. Now, some people say that according to the cable, maybe the sound quality, some higher end cables may be a lot better and it produce better quality. I don't know about that. What I could tell you is that the XLRs that I have here from Amazon have done just fine. For what I use it for, it has done really, really well. So I wanted to give you a close look right here. This is what you got. So this is the Amazon Basic XLR male to female cable. You could get it in all kind of different sizes. You could get it in 3 feet, 6 feet, 10, 50. Wow, it's insane. 50 feet is a long amount of cable. So again, you could get it in all kind of different ways. Again, having something like 50 feet would be nice if you had to set up your mixer in a different location. But again, these cables have done really really well, guys. Like I say, I use it with microphones such as this. I use it all the time, and you see it when you put it on, it kind of clip up, and you see it right there. So just a quick look here for you guys to see it. Like I say, my experience so far has been great, and they have done pretty decent job. Closer look right here of this one right here, just to give you a closer look on this side right here. Obviously this side I just connected here to the microphone. So again, this is the Amazon cables from Amazon Basic, and I'm going to tell you, so far for what I use it for here in my studio, they have done fantastic.